Hello, welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we present the 5 best smokers to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Masterbuilt electric smoker. When it comes to smokers, this one has everything you need for easy smoking at an affordable price. Since it's electric, there's no need to fuss with lighting charcoal, and the design is sleek, modern, and attractive. This smoker uses Bluetooth to connect to your smart device, so you don't have to keep track of a separate remote control, and when you're cooking, there's no need to leave your comfy lawn chair to check the temperature or turn the cooker on or off. The Masterbuilt smoker has 4 chrome-plated racks that can handle up to 16 chickens, 4 turkeys, or 8 racks of ribs. There's no need to open the door to load more wood chips during cooking, since they can be added from the side of the smoker. While it's easy to use and delivers tasty results, this smoker can be finicky in cold weather, and its blue display screen is tough to read in direct sunlight. Features: Bluetooth smart technology, 1 meat probe thermometer included. Easy to set up and use. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Green Mountain Davy Crockett Portable Wood Pellet Grill. This smoker is designed to be portable, it doesn't mean it's less capable. It even includes Wi-Fi controls so you don't need to hover near the smoker to monitor the cooking. This uses pellets as a heat source, so all you need to do is fill the hopper and let the grill do the rest. This smoker weighs 57 pounds, so it's sturdy but still liftable. The legs fold to make it more compact for storage, or to tuck it into the trunk or the back of the pickup for a tailgate party. It runs on standard house current when it's available, and it comes with 3 adapters so it can plug into your car for use on the road. Features: doesn't need a lot of power to operate. Sturdy yet portable. Comes with Bluetooth capability. Coming up next. In third place we have the Traeger Pro Grill and Smoker. The Traeger Pro series is the best-selling pellet grill in the league. Traeger wood-fired grills gently add sweet, smoky flavor to meats by burning pressed wood pellets. Plus, this Pro model features a very cool Wi-Fi technology, which allows you to monitor and control your grill from anywhere via a smartphone app. With Traeger square inches of cooking space, you can cook 34 burgers, 6 racks of ribs, or 6 chickens simultaneously. As an editor who has tasted smoked meats from a Traeger Pro in real life and been blown away by the flavor, I recommend this wood pellet grill as my choice. Features: connected home technology, versatile barbecue cooking, built for large family cooking. Now moving to the number 4. PK Original Portable Grill and Smoker. Unlike other grills, the original PK's cook chamber is constructed entirely from aluminum. Aluminum conducts heat 4x more efficiently than steel, which means heat is dispersed evenly throughout the capsule. Accent your patio with this sleek and portable stainless steel smoker grill. The rust-resistant and lightweight aluminum casing also keeps heat locked in, so your brisket, burgers, or hot dogs are cooked thoroughly and evenly. With its 300 square inch cooking surface, this charcoal grill and smoker can handle everything from sausages and burgers to a whole turkey. The original PK is shaped like a bullet aimed at your taste buds and features 4 easy-to-use vents, allowing you to set up zones and precisely control airflow inside the capsule. Say goodbye to expensive mistakes and hello to evenly cooked meats and veggies. Features: easy to grill hot and fast or low and slow. Ideal for long cooks. Award-winning charcoal grills. In the 5th position we have the CharBroil Big Easy Propane Turkey Fryer. If you're looking for a multitasking smoker, slow roaster, and fryer to be used primarily for large cuts of meat like a whole turkey, this CharBroil Big Easy stainless steel oil-less turkey fryer is what you'll want. This smoker can accommodate a 16-pound turkey and has a handy rotary-style ignition to provide a quick and easy light with the simple turn of a knob. Made from heavy-gauge black-coated steel, this sturdy smoker is built to last and will look good for years. The Stay Cool handles on the cookbox and firebox lids let you open the lids safely, even when the grill is hot. Reviewers love the front access grease tray for easy cleanup. Features: quick start cooking guide and easy cleanup. Fry whole turkeys, chicken, or roasts. Less money spent and no stress about disposal. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best smokers. Do comment if you have any query and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.